The tragic loss of life continues to climb following the sinking of a vessel carrying Rohingya refugees, with the confirmed death toll now standing at 29, VXN has learned. Today's uploaded footage shows a desperate scene as rescue workers continue their search efforts off the coast. Initial reports suggest the overcrowded boat, attempting a perilous journey across the Bay of Bengal, capsized amidst rough seas. This disaster underscores the escalating humanitarian crisis facing the Rohingya community, many of whom are fleeing persecution and seeking refuge in neighboring countries. The event is also raising serious concerns about the effectiveness of current maritime safety protocols and the increasing desperation driving vulnerable populations to undertake such dangerous voyages. Aid organizations are struggling to provide adequate support to the survivors, many of whom have lost family members and all their possessions. This latest incident will likely further destabilize an already tense regional environment, prompting renewed calls for international intervention and long-term solutions to address the root causes of the Rohingya refugee crisis. The sinking is also prompting an investigation into potential human trafficking networks that exploit vulnerable individuals seeking passage to safety. The situation remains fluid, with rescue operations ongoing as authorities attempt to recover more bodies and locate any potential survivors. Thank you for listening. Please follow or subscribe to get more updates from VXN News.
Let us record something else. Let us record something else.